So now in view on the left or port side of the ship is our first glacier of the day. What do you think?
What's your honey bunny? Get some love. Watch it. Let it out. Give some love, guys. Hug your honey bunny. Hey, look each other, guys. Look each other and smile. Kiss it, kiss it.
Spotting wildlife is a team watching sport. What does that mean? If you see something, tell your neighbors so that they can see it too. We're going to do our best to see that wildlife and tell you where it is, but sometimes we'll miss things. And third, most of the wildlife will be pretty far off, so have your binoculars out. Have any of you ever been to Everglades National Park out of curiosity? If not, maybe you've heard it called the River of Griff. Think of glaciers as flowing rivers of ice, rather than non-moving giant ice cubes. Take a look up at the mountains that surround us as far as you can. Up there, that's where glaciers are born. The only precipitation that... Moraines are large piles of sediment and rock debris that glaciers push in front of them as they advance. Glaciers share similar features, but they are all unique. As the ice flows downhill, it will bend and crease over the bumpy landscape. Think about a batch of fresh brownies. When you take it out of the oven, it is nice and smooth. But when you bend that brownie, cracks form. They can be up to 100 feet or 30 meters deep. As these glaciers are moving, they are also melting. This melt can create streams on the surface of the glacier that carve out their own channels, similar to a river on land. If a stream runs into a crevasse, it will pour over, creating a glacial waterfall. That waterfall will then melt the ice all the way down to the bedrock.